Hey guys, today I will be talking about how to fix Steam content file locked error message. So here we go. First, you need to go to your search and type network reset. After that, you need to go to network reset and click on reset now. Here, click on yes, and after that, you can just close this tab and go to command prompt. Go to search again and type cmd and run as administrator. Here in this window, you need to type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Now, after you have successfully reset the winsock catalog, you can just restart your computer. Now, after you have restarted your computer, you need to go to your Steam shortcut from the desktop and you need to right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. So after your Steam application is opened, head over to Steam and go to Settings from this drop down menu. Here you need to head over to Downloads from the left menu and you need to select a different region which is near to you. So after you have set your region, and that will totally sum it all for you. But if it didn't fix your problem, then you can try disabling one of your antiviruses. So as you can see, I have Avast, so you can just click on Avast and disable it temporarily. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.